All right, check out this towel warmer. Now it comes with different colors. It changes when it actually is warming up. It turns red. Green is on. 20 minutes, 40 minutes, 60 minutes. Timer's on. You change it to the timer you want. Off and on, and delays. Now it does come with silicone bags because to keep moisture out. All right. It has these tongues so you could grab onto the actual towels. All you got to do is just throw them in there and set them up. So let's do that. Simple. So we're gonna grab a couple towels in here and we're gonna put them in here. You can stack them up if you want. It's gonna keep them nice and warm when they get out. And I'm gonna show you with a thermal camera how they look. So we're gonna put one more towel in here. Plenty of space for a lot of towels. If you have a pool and you want people to come out and greet them to a nice towel, this is another way to do it. So we're gonna close it up. 20 minutes. That's what we're gonna do. So you could change it here to a timer. We'll put 20 minutes and hit the 20 minutes. And all you got to do is wait. When this thing turns red, it's going to start warming up. Right now it's in Fahrenheit. All right. When it's heating up, it turns red. When it's green, it's warming up. All right. You can always open it up with the button. Just be cautious because it's really hot in here. Like I said, you can always turn it off. Put delay. Very simple. Easy for the bathroom. All right. So we're going to get our towels out. Look at this, waiting for us. Very simple. If you ever want to turn it off, just hold on the button once and it turns off, right? When it turns green, it's set to go and then it turns off completely. All right, so here's a warmer, guys. If you guys can see it, it's super hot right now. It's at 200 it tells you 211 Fahrenheit, but inside's a little warmer. It's not that as hot as you think it is, but right now it's in red. That means it's cautious, all right? Open it up. And you're going to see how hot it is in there. So you can see the warmness of the actual towels. Look at this. So out of the actual bath, you could go straight to towels that are really warm. All right, the whole system's working very well. I like the actual color coordinations that they have. It's red. Thermal readings are high. On the outside, it's 90, but it's around over 100 in there. And it says it's 200 Fahrenheit is heating up to it. And you can see it working. So, very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.